on, we want to talk to you about financials and in particular Shriram Finance as well. But let's first bring in Gaurav just to jog our memory again on what has been the biggest deal that we've seen in the Indian financial landscape in probably all time and what brokers are making of it. Gaurav, morning. I mean, cursory glance told me that a lot of brokerages are actually positive on the deal. What did you pick up?
Well, yes. First it was MUFG and now it is brokerages who are being positive on Shriram Finance is what we can say, because we have got a bunch of brokers who have actually upgraded the target price. So first let's talk about CLSA. They have increased the target price to 1030. What they're saying is that there will be some strengthening in balance sheet and at the same time cost of fund will reduce significantly. They're expecting improved profitability and company will also enter into low risk segment, and as a result if you look at ROE we may see some dilution, but even after that they're expecting mid-teens ROE to be maintained by the company. Apart from that, when it comes to IIFL Finance, they have also given a target price of 1200 rupees. They say that it is going to be a significant benefit for their cost of fund. In fact, in terms of numbers, they're expecting 70 to 80 basis point of increase in the spreads. Apart from that, they're also expecting ROAs to reach around 4.5% by FY28. When it comes to Nomura, they have given a target price of 1140. They're actually lifting FY28 AUM growth target almost to 20%. And Jefferies, they say that with this capital, the tier 1 ratio will reach 30%, but this will be beneficial for the company because there will be some rating upgrades to AAA for Shriram Finance, and that is something which will be beneficial. And at the same time, if you look at valuation, 1.9 times price to book at FY27 is a very cheap and very attractive valuation is what they say. DAM Capital, they have actually increased their growth target almost to 18% for the next 2 years, and at the same time they believe that ROEs they may fall to 12%, but there will be some trajectory which will bring back ROEs to 14% level. And lastly, Kotak Equities, they have given a target price to 990 rupees. What they say is that large capital infusion can actually pose a challenge because of the leverage issue, but there will be some improvement in the debt market and that can actually benefit the company in terms of cost of funds. So all in all brokerages are positive about the deal. They have also increased the target price. We have already seen stock reacting almost more than 4% on the day of decision itself. So let's see if there is any other move left in the stock, but definitely bullish brokerages on Shriram Finance for the day.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, got that. That's quite helpful. Gaurav, thank you for all the views.